In this video, I will be showing you how to fix Roblox error code 268 Roblox. The first method we have here is just to simply restart your computer. Control Alt F4 and click OK. The next method we have here is to just run the compatibility. Go to File Location, click Windows 7 and run as administrator. Once done, go to Try Recommended Settings, test the program and click Next. After trying this method, let's go to the third one. All you have to do is go to settings and then, or you can just go to search bar and click apps and features. And then now click add or remove program. Then it will take you directly into this place where you can install or uninstall program. So all you have to do is to search for Roblox. You can just type it on a search bar. And then here it is. All you need to do is to click this three dots here and click uninstall for Roblox application. And for Roblox program, you can just click and uninstall. Wait for the Roblox to be uninstalled. And that's it. Now we have done already the three methods. Let us know if these methods work. Now all we need to do is to download and install Roblox again, as you can see here. So click any game and then click the green button and wait for it as it is installing. And all you have to do is to download and install, run the program, and play the game. So let's go and start downloading. Go to File Location, go to Downloads, click Programs, right-click Roblox, run as administrator, and as you can see, Roblox is getting started. So all you have to do is to wait. So as you, so as you can see here, Roblox is successfully installed. So all you have to do is to go back and try to play a game using Roblox. And if you find this video helpful and informative, give it a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next videos.